Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video.
This video is for hard to settle preschoolers and what you can do to help with better self-regulation. This is a very classic OT trick, and it's called the hot dog game. And what it involves is taking a blanket and rolling your child up in the blanket, head out, so you're only rolling shoulders down to help provide some deep stimulation. So you sort of make them a little hot dog in a bun. It's a really fun game to play with kids because you're rolling them, giving them some stimulation, and then adding in a calming activity like a story. So rather than read a story in a traditional way, have the child get some nice sensory input while listening to the story to help them feel better self-regulated. Give this one a try. It's a lot of fun and lots of kids enjoy it.